What if I told you, one of the most expensive nuts in the world could actually help you lose weight, protect your heart, and dramatically improve your gut health? Sounds crazy, right? Most people avoid macadamia nuts because they think they're too high in fat and too expensive. But what if that fat is exactly what your body has been missing? Today we're revealing the surprising truth about macadamia nuts, and why adding just a handful daily could transform your health in ways you never expected. Stay until the end, because one benefit might completely change how you snack forever. Macadamia nuts aren't just a luxury snack, they're one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Yet most people have no idea how powerful they really are, or how to use them properly. In this video, we'll break down the top science-backed benefits of macadamia nuts and the exact best ways to add them to your diet for maximum results. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's start with what's inside every single nut. Just one small handful delivers healthy fats, fiber, magnesium, copper, and B vitamins. These nutrients support energy, brain function, and immunity. What makes them special? They're very low in carbs and sugar, so they won't spike your blood sugar like most snacks do. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Your body fights free radicals every single day, unstable molecules that speed up aging, damage cells, and raise disease risk. Macadamia nuts contain some of the highest levels of antioxidants among all nuts. They act like a powerful shield, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. 3. Heart health booster. Here's the most surprising part. Even though they're high in fat, macadamia nuts are excellent for your heart. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood pressure. 4 and 5. Blood sugar control plus weight loss. Many people are shocked to learn this. Macadamia nuts can actually support weight loss, despite being calorie-dense. Here's why. The healthy fats, fiber, and protein keep you full for hours, crush cravings, and prevent overeating. They also stabilize blood sugar, giving you steady energy instead of crashes. 6. Gut health support. Your gut contains trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion to immunity. The fiber in macadamia nuts acts as prebiotic fuel for your good bacteria. This leads to better digestion, less inflammation, and a stronger gut barrier. 7. Hidden benefits. Emerging research shows macadamia nuts may also support brain health and cognitive function, help reduce the risk of certain cancers, promote longevity. While more human studies are needed, the early results are very promising. 8. How to eat them properly. Raw or dry roasted is best. Avoid oil roasted, add to smoothies. Sprinkle on salads or yogurt. Blend into creamy macadamia nut butter. Use in healthy desserts. Pro tip. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, about 8 to 12 nuts, for maximum benefits without excess calories. Quick reality check. They are high in calories, so overeating can lead to weight gain. If you're not used to high fiber foods, start slow to avoid bloating. Balance is everything. Here's the bottom line. Macadamia nuts are far more than an expensive snack. They're a serious tool for better heart health, weight management, gut health, and overall wellness. The key is using them the right way and in the right amount. If this video opened your eyes, drop a comment below and tell me, have you ever tried macadamia nuts? Would you start adding them to your diet after watching this? Smash that like button if you learned something new, subscribe and turn on notifications for more science-backed health videos every week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, and stay healthy as always.